Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best tennis rackets that will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 1. Struggling to get more power and control in your tennis game? Most beginner or recreational players feel their shots lack pop or consistency. If that's you, this might be the solution. Meet the Wilson Hyper Hammer 5.3, a lightweight recreational tennis racket designed to boost your swing. Lightweight at 0.24 kilograms, easy to swing for beginners. Graphite frame and carbon fiber shaft for strength and durability. Grip size 4 3/8 inches, fits comfortably for most adult hands. Perfect for recreational play, great for practice or weekend matches. Balanced design helps generate extra power with minimal effort. Pros: lightweight, durable, easy to handle, great for improving swing speed. Cons: not ideal for advanced players seeking pro-level precision. Best for beginner to intermediate recreational players who want more power and comfort without straining their arms. Priced at $169, it offers excellent value for casual players looking for a lightweight, durable racket that enhances power and control. Number 2. Introducing the Babolat Boost S tennis racket, a lightweight and versatile racket designed for players of all skill levels. Lightweight at 280 grams, easy to handle and swing. Graphite frame and shaft for durability and consistent performance. Grip size 4 3/8 inches, comfortable for most adults. Suitable for all skill levels, from beginners to recreational players. Designed to provide better power and control without tiring your arm. Durable plastic elements make it resistant to wear and tear. Pros: lightweight, durable, easy to swing, great for beginners and intermediates. Cons: plastic construction may feel less premium, not designed for professional level precision. Perfect for adult recreational players and beginners looking for a comfortable, easy to handle racket that still offers solid performance. At $150, the Babolat Boost S offers great value for anyone wanting a reliable, lightweight racket that improves your game. Number 3. Meet the Wilson Clash 108 V2, a high-performance tennis racket designed for advanced players seeking control and flexibility. Advanced 45-degree frame material for ultimate flexibility and stability. Carbon fiber shaft ensures strong, consistent shots. Lightweight at 0.62 pounds, allowing faster swings and better maneuverability. Grip size 4 1/4 inches, comfortable for most adult hands. Optimized for power and spin, giving advanced players more precision on the court. Unstrung version allows custom stringing to match your preferred tension and style. Pros: lightweight, flexible, great for spin and control, customizable string setup. Cons: not suitable for beginners, needs skill to handle effectively. Best for advanced adult players who want a high-performance racket with maximum control and spin potential. Priced at $100, it offers excellent value for advanced players looking for a flexible, customizable, and lightweight performance racket. Number 4. Introducing the Head Geo Speed Adult Tennis Racket, a lightweight, pre-strung racket designed to help beginners enjoy the game right away. Lightweight at 10.4 ounces, making it easy to swing for beginners. Titanium frame with graphite shaft for durability and stability. Grip size 4 3/8 inches, comfortable for most adults. 27.5-inch length provides a larger sweet spot for better control. Pre-strung and ready to play, no setup needed. Designed to offer easy power and consistent shots, helping beginners improve quickly. Pros: lightweight, durable, pre-strung, beginner-friendly, easy to control. Cons: limited advanced features, may feel basic for experienced players. Perfect for adult beginners who want a ready-to-play racket that's easy to handle and helps develop confidence on the court. At $140, it's a solid investment for beginners seeking a durable, lightweight racket that delivers power and control without extra effort. Number 5. Meet the Wilson Burn 100 ULS V5, a lightweight, high-performance racket designed for advanced adult players. Ultra-lightweight at 9.7 ounces, perfect for fast swings and quick reactions. Full carbon fiber frame and shaft for strength, stability, and precise shots. Grip size 4 1/8 inches, ideal for smaller adult hands or those who prefer a tighter grip. Unstrung design lets you choose your preferred string type and tension. Optimized for powerful, controlled shots, helping advanced players dominate rallies. Pros: extremely lightweight, durable, precise, customizable string setup, great for advanced play. Cons: not beginner friendly, requires skill to handle properly. Best for advanced adult players who want a high performance, lightweight racket that maximizes speed and power. At just $84.95, it's an excellent value for an advanced racket with premium carbon fiber construction. Check the link in the description to grab yours today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tennis gear reviews.